contribution nyo sa film. Kaya sana ay tulungan nyo kami mag-promote. And I'm just super thankful to be acting for Direk. She's so nice. She's like a mom to me. And ayun, napakaganda ng pelikula. Sana ay supportahan natin lahat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. And of course, Barbie Forteza!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you all so much for coming in today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa very first movie namin ni David as a love team, as Barda. Thank you so much Pocket Media for entrusting us with this project. I know na there were so many risks taken to do this project, and so thank you so much dahil kami ang napili ninyong soldiers na gumanap dito sa pelikulang ito. And I will also take this chance to invite all of you to please support our premiere night on July 4th sa SM Mega Mall. Sana po sabay-sabay natin panoorin ang nakakakilig na pelikulang ito, directed by Catherine O. Camarillo. Thank you so much!
Yes, ayan nga po si Barbie, si David, and the rest of the cast. Ngayon naman, syempre, diretso na po tayo sa ating Q&A.